Hello, today we are going to go through question 28 from the June 2018 GCSE Higher Maths Paper 3 from AQA. If you would like to have a go at this question before we continue, please pause now. Okay, so firstly we're told that the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 80, and so from this we know that 80 is equivalent to the radius squared. Additionally, we're told that point P on the circle has an x-coordinate of 4. This tells us that the coordinate P is 4, y. As we know an x-coordinate and we know the radius squared, we can therefore find y in this coordinate. And to do that, basically, we have x squared plus y squared equals 80, so we substitute x equals 4 into that, giving us 16 plus y squared equals 80. Therefore, 80 minus 16 is y squared, and the square root of 64, which is y squared, is plus or minus 8, telling us that the y-coordinate is either plus or minus 8. Now, looking at the graph, we can see that the p-coordinate is in the negative y-quadrant, and therefore it must be minus 8. So the coordinate of p is 4 minus 8. Now you've got this, you need to find the gradient of the radius. The reason for doing this is because the radius of the tangent is perpendicular to it, which means it's at 90 degrees to it, and the product of the gradient of two lines that are perpendicular to each other is -1. So once we have one gradient, we can get the other. So to work out the gradient of the radius, you need to do change in y over change in x. Now we know that origin's coordinate is 0, 0, and point P's coordinate is 4, -8. So all we need to do is put that into the gradient formula, which is -8 take 0 over 4 take 0, which is therefore -8 over 4, which gives us a gradient of -2. Now to get the tangent, we know the tangent's perpendicular to the radius, and therefore -2 multiplied by the gradient of the tangent equals -1. So if we rearrange for the gradient of the tangent, we get half. So if we substitute that into the equation of a straight line, we know that y equals 1/2x plus c. Then to find c, all we need to do is put in two coordinates that are on the tangent, which conveniently is 4 minus 8. Therefore, if you substitute in x equals 4 and y equals -8, you can then solve for c, which tells you that c is -10, giving you the equation of the straight line as y equals 1/2x minus 10. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more circle related videos, please click the card on the end screen.